This is a B6 revision video on the structure of DNA. So to start with, we need to look at where you would find your DNA. So, in our cells, in all eukaryotic cells, we will have a nucleus. If you could zoom in on that nucleus, you would see we have lots of these little X structures. They are called our chromosomes. Now in humans, only in humans, you'll have 46 of these chromosomes. They tend to come in pairs, so you've got 23 pairs. Now if you could zoom in on a section of that chromosome, you would see this double-stranded structure. Okay, so there's two strands, you've got one, you've got two. Double-stranded structure called DNA. DNA is also a polymer. Now, if you look at a short section of that DNA, you will find a gene. Genes themselves will code for an amino acid. Several of these amino acids, we have 20 in total, but several of them will work together to make a protein. This protein will go on to decide or determine your characteristics. At the bottom of this, I just want to add on a triple only section. So trilogies, you don't need to know this. Triple only, you also need to know that if you zoomed in on that double helix structure, you will see, as I've drawn here, these little lines. These lines are known as nucleotides or base pairs, and you have 4 of them. You have a C, a G, an A, and T. Now, these base pairs do come in pairs, just like chromosomes do. C always pairs with G, A always pairs with T. The way I remember that is clever girls go to Alton Towers. You also need to know that these long strands that we've drawn here, okay, they are made up of a sugar phosphate backbone, and then the 4 bases are attached onto that sugar phosphate backbone.